Let me show you something crazy. Right now, people are paying every single month to use AI video tools like Grok, Kling, Sora 2, and Google Veo. But what if I told you you can actually use these same tools completely free? No limits, no subscriptions, and no watermarks on your videos. Sounds unreal, right? I thought the same too until I tested it myself, and it actually works. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact method I personally use to access these powerful AI tools without paying anything, step by step, no skipping, so you can follow along easily. And trust me, you don't want to miss any part of this, because one small mistake could stop it from working. So do me a quick favor, stick around till the end of this video so you get the full process. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I share simple, powerful AI tools and strategies to help you create better content faster. And if you've been supporting this channel already, thank you. I truly appreciate you for coming back and watching. Now let's not waste any more time. Let me show you exactly how to get started.
First of all, go to your browser of choice. It could be Firefox, Chrome, Phoenix, or any other browser you prefer. Type Gemini Gen AI. Press Enter and click on the logo that looks similar to this one here. Once you click on it, it will prompt you to join the Discord community. You can choose to join or you can skip it if you'd prefer. After skipping, the Gemini Gen AI website should now look like this on your smartphone screen. You'll also see something written that says, "Create AI videos with AI in seconds." This sounds so interesting, right? To continue, simply click on this box if you already have your prompts ready to create videos or images. But for this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step of creating a storyline, image, and motion prompts that'll help us generate professional videos without any stress. Now let's move forward and start creating our story, image, and prompts. We're going to use ChatGPT for that. Open ChatGPT and ask a simple question like, "Give me a short story about a hunter who went hunting and fought a lion in the forest and won the fight." The story is set in an African village and should be less than 1 minute. After you click Send, ChatGPT will generate a detailed script for us based on the information we've provided.
Remember, always ask ChatGPT straightforward questions to get exactly what you're looking for. As you can see, the story ChatGPT generated for us fits perfectly. Now we move to the next step. Ask ChatGPT another simple question, like, "Also, give me 5 image prompts that will allow me to create consistent, high-quality, glossy character images for all the scenes." After clicking Send, within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate the image prompts for us, just like you see on the screen. This includes the full description of our character, Kato, which we'll use to maintain consistent character visuals across all scenes. Additionally, we have all 5 scenes that we asked for, starting from Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and Scene 5. Next, we need motion prompts and dialogue prompts. Go ahead and ask ChatGPT another simple question, like, "Also, give me motion prompts with dialogue for each scene." After clicking Send, ChatGPT will generate the motion and dialogue prompts for us, as you can see on the screen here. Once the story, image prompts, and motion prompts are complete, the next step is to create our images. For this, we'll also be using ChatGPT to help us with the image creation. Simply ask ChatGPT a question like, "Create an image for Scene 1." After clicking Send, within a few seconds, your image will be ready. As you can see on the screen, our generated image looks great and is of high quality.
Repeat this process to create all of your images. These are some samples of other images I created using the same method. Just keep in mind that ChatGPT only allows you to create 5 images per day. So if you need more images, you can also try other image generation tools like PicLumen, Leonardo, Whisk AI, or any other tool of your choice. Once you've created all of your images, the next thing you'll need to do is download them to your phone's gallery. To download an image, simply long press on the image and several options will appear. Click on Save and your image will automatically be downloaded. Do this for each image. Now that we're done creating our images, we move on to the final step, which is creating our videos using Gemini Gen AI. Once you've opened the Gemini Gen AI website, sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Click on the 3 lines on the left side of the website, and as a new user, click on Sign Up to create a new account. Then click on Register with a Google account. After selecting your Google account, enter your password, click Send, and wait a few seconds for the process to complete. After signing up, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Here, you'll see several options, such as video generation, image generation, and the Translabity app. To create your videos, make sure you're in the Video Gen section, as it's selected by default.
Scroll up to see the video generation tools, including Grok AI, which has a free indicator, meaning you can use it completely free. There's also Google VO3 free, Meta AI, ByteDance, and Kling AI. These tools allow you to create videos for free without paying anything. For this tutorial, we'll be testing Google VO3. Just click on it to select it, and after choosing the tool, you'll see an interface like this. Ensure the model you choose is indicated here, such as Google VO3. To create our videos, we'll use the Image Reference option. Click to upload your first image, and then your second image. Let's start with the first image. Click Select, then select File, choose your image, and click Done. Repeat this for the second image. After uploading all your images, we'll need a prompt to describe our videos. To do this, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompts with dialogue into your clipboard. Then head back to Gemini Gen AI, paste the prompt into the prompts box, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube videos or 9:16 for TikTok or Reels. Next, choose your preferred video resolution. For this tutorial, we'll use the default 720p HD quality, but you can also select 1080p HD if you prefer. Click Generate Video. This video costs 0 credits to create, meaning you don't need any credits. After clicking Generate Video, you'll be asked to verify that you're human. Once you've verified, your video will start generating automatically. After a few minutes, you'll see the preview of the video you just created. Let's play it and see how it looks. Now, to download it to your gallery, click the 3 dots here and select Download. Your video will be saved directly to your phone's gallery, and you're all done. Also, remember to try out all the other tools on this platform to see which one works best for your needs. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you in the next one.